Alright, so we're going to go ahead and make polenta tonight for dinner. And we grew Otto File corn last summer in our community garden plot. And we just throw it in the grinder here. And turn it on. After you grind up the corn, then you just measure out 2 cups of cornmeal to 8 cups of water. You can do 1 cup cornmeal, 4 cups water, and then you're just going to do a whole lot of stirring. And at the end, you'll add some butter and Parmesan cheese. And we'll just write the rest of the instructions on the video as we go, so that we don't bore you with a half an hour of stirring. So once the polenta is ready, it won't have any grits when you bite in a little piece of it. It'll be just nice and smooth, and that's when you add the butter and the Parmesan cheese, and then you just stir it up nice and good. Get it all mixed. That's it. Polenta is really easy to make.
The butter. Melt it all the way through.
And then we just turn off the heat, cover it, and it'll be ready to eat in just a few minutes.
Pieces of chicken.